Hi Nail Fam, Madam Glam sent me over their new gel polish collection. I will be showing you all of these gorgeous colors and doing a fun nail design. So if you want to see, please keep watching.
The view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah. I like the view. I like the view.
Diving straight into these gorgeous gel polishes, I absolutely love all of the colors that were included in this collection. There were 10 colors in this collection. I was able to get 7 of those colors, and that is what I'll be showing you in the first part of this video. As you know, Madam Glam gel polishes, they are highly pigmented. You can get away with just one coat coverage, and they are vegan and cruelty free. They are also 21 free from harsh chemicals. I absolutely love their gel polishes. So I did swatch all of these colors off camera because, as you know, Madam Glam, their gel polishes is high quality. You know that the polishes are going to be amazing anyway. So I really wanted to just focus on the hand painting nail art, this fun nail design that we are going to be doing in this video. So I'll be quiet for just a few, let you stare at these gorgeous colors, and then we'll get into the nail design. And here is a final look at these gorgeous gel polishes. If you happen to be interested in any of these gel polishes, I do have a discount code down in the description box. Now let's get started on this nail design. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Madam Glam base coat. I've already applied my nail tips on using some nail glue and some 2XL stilettos. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin layer of base gel over the entire nail, and then I'm going to cure this under my UV lamp for 30 seconds. So here's the first gel polish that I'm going to be using, and this one is called Cloudless. This is from the current collection. Absolutely gorgeous color. As soon as I saw that, I was like, I know I'm going to use this color. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and apply our first layer of this beautiful gel polishes to my entire thumb. I'm also going to be applying this to my ring finger as well. So I'm going to go in with my first layer, keeping it very thin, and then I'm going to give it a cure for 30 seconds. Then once I have that first layer done, I'll go back in with the second layer just to make sure I have that wonderful opacity and give it another cure. So moving on to my index, my middle finger, and my pinky finger, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of this Jelly Nude gel polish to the entire nail. I love this. This is one of my favorite Jelly Nude gel polishes. And then I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Daydream on top of that because I want this to be pinky brownie kind of jelly nude. So Daydream is the closest thing into a jelly nude that I have, and it has like these beautiful little shimmer glitters in it. Such a stunning color. So I cured the jelly nude brown color first for 30 seconds, and now I'm going in with this Daydream, which is a pink gold glittery kind of jelly nude. And while that is still wet, before I cure that, I'm going to go in with some gold flakes into that Daydream color. Okay, so for the nail art, we're going to be doing some flowers, and so I'm just making sure that my background has this nice glittery effect going on. So take a dotting tool or a silicone tool, just add a few pieces of that gold flake onto the wet Daydream, and then you're going to cure it under your UV lamp for 30 seconds. Now to draw our little flowers, I have my little nail palette here, my nail art palette here, got this from Shein. I'm going to go ahead and apply some dollops of these gel polishes onto this palette. I'm going to go in with Cloudless here, which is the blue. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the two green. This one is Spring Fever, and then the other one is Apple Bite, I think that's called. And we're just going to put this onto our nail palette. And these are the colors that we're going to be using to create our wonderful flower nail design. Now, before I go in with this nail design, I am going to protect the glitter gel polish that we've already applied. In case I make a mess, I want to be able to clean that back off. So I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Velvet Top Matte Coat or Matte Top Coat over the nails that have the glitter and the gold flakes. Remember, to make this shiny, you can always apply a shiny top coat, all right? But we're just going to leave this matte just for the nail art. Now, to do this flower nail design, you're going to need some sort of floral nail art brush. And it's usually these brushes that have like these funny looking spaces cut out in the middle. So there's like 4 or 5 of these. They all come in different shapes and sizes according to the flower that you want to do. There are many ways that you can use this brush. You can twist it to the side. You can do it like how I'm going to be showing you in today's video and other different ways. I will go into more nail art videos throughout the summer, so definitely stay tuned for that. So I'm going to take this brush, and this is from eNail Couture. This is what Baby Girl Nail sent me when I got a Baby Girl Nail box from her at least a month or 2 ago back. I'm going to take my eNail Couture little flower brush here. We're just going to dab it onto the nail just like that. All right, dip it back into the gel polish again, go at a different angle and just slide it on down on your nail just like that. And then we're going to take the brush once more again, and then we're going to do the opposite side. Boom, guys, it's a flower. Ta-da! There was no magic. There's no secret to how you can do this. All right. So now that we have our first flower down, that's it. Don't do too much because you're going to rub off the gel polish. We're now going to move on to the next side of the nail. And I'm going to do this exact same thing on all of these nails that has like this gold flake glitter gel polish background. Once I am done applying this light blue color of the flower onto the nail, I will give this a cure for 30 seconds under my UV lamp. Then we're going to go in with our second color doing the exact same thing. All right, so we are done curing that first set of flowers. Now we're going to go in with this darker color here, and we're going to take our brush and we're just going to lightly go over those exact same areas. And I'm just going to try to leave just a little bit to the tip of where the petals are, because I'm going to go in with some more color again. So I don't want this to cover up the entire flower. I just want it to be right at the tip of the flower petals. All right, so there you go. Take your brush, drag it on down just to the tip. Leave a little bit of space towards the base of the flower because we're going to go in with some lighter colors just to make sure that these petals are popping. And we're going to do all of this again to all of the nails, cure them under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of lightness to these flower petals as well. So I'm going to take my Perfect White from Madam Glam. Just going to put a little dot of white onto my nail palette here, my nail art palette. Then I'm going to take my brush, and you guessed it, we are going to go in again, and we're just going to add some white strokes to this flower. And this is going to give your flower this nice fluffy fluffy hand painted kind of look. It's gonna look like you painted this on a canvas. I absolutely loved how the gradient, it's like a gradient kind of flower petal effect that these colors gave. So with more practice, you can definitely refine how fluffy and the look of your flower. Like I don't know how to explain it, guys, but it just looks so pretty. That's all you need to know. It just looks pretty. All right. So now that I have that cured for 30 seconds, I'm going to take my liner brush, which is just a line art brush, and we're just going to go ahead and dip into that apple bite green, and we are going to draw some small little tiny leaves next to these flowers. Finally, I'm going to take my line art brush again, and I'm going to dip back into that original beautiful teal color, and we're just going to put a few little lines onto the flower again, because we put the last color that we used was white, and we really don't want too much white. We want the focus to be that beautiful teal color. All right. Now, after I cured that for 30 seconds again, it's a lot of curing. 30 seconds, take it back out, put some more on, cure it another 30 seconds. So finally, now we're going to have to add that little bit of yellowness to the center of this flower. Get the bees need to get their honey, so they need to get their pollen. So we're going to add the little center of this flower, and we're going to use this lemon drop kind of color here. And using a dot on tool, we're just going to dab some yellow to the center of this flower, also giving it another flash cure for 30 seconds. Once all of the nails have been cured, then you can go in with your note wipe top coat over these nails and give them a final cure under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. I did add a gold butterfly onto my ring finger, and then I just added a few gold rhinestones to the thumb, and here's how the nails are looking. Off camera, I gave them a quick file and I added some cuticle oil, and here is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comment section of this nail design. I hope you guys do give it a try. Thank you again to Madam Glam for these gorgeous polishes, and I will see you in the next video.